Hello students, we are back with the another part of employability skills. Today we will learn the another skill that is called self-management skills of part A, employability skills. In this section we will learn how to manage ourselves. First of all, let's have the introduction. Here in this figure you can see that self-management is about taking control. Means, suppose if you are at the driving seat, then how you will control? Okay, this is the self management is all about. Self management is the ability to control and regulate our emotions, thoughts, and behavior as per the situation. It's also known as self control, or you can also call it self regulation. It helps in achieving predetermined goals by regulating our time and taking responsibility for our decisions. Self management can be defined as our ability किस चीज़ की? To manage our tasks, to manage our goals, functions with others, control feelings, emotions, activities, to tolerate unpleasant situations, to deal with difference of opinions with others, learn new ideas sincerely, handle ourselves and work towards reaching goal. Means, all in all, what we can say that self management is nothing. It's just a talent to control our happiness, our sadness, our emotions, our behaviors. Means, whatever our reaction is there because of any particular situation, to control that in a limited way. That is self management, nothing else. Okay, now in self management there is a word comes stress. Now we are going to learn the stress and its types. Now, what is the stress? Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. ठीक है, जब कोई टेंशन लेते हो तो कहते हैं ना अरे भाई ये स्ट्रेस में है. तो स्ट्रेस इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ फीलिंग ऑफ फिजिकल और इमोशनल टेंशन. It's our body's reaction to a challenge or a demand. It can come from any event or thought that makes us feel frustrated, angry, nervous. जब हम extreme किसी situation पे गुस्सा आता है तो it means we are taking stress. ज़रूरी नहीं है गुस्सा ही आए. तो everyone have several ways to express the emotions due to tension. Fine. तो stress means डिफरेंट थिंग्स टू डिफरेंट पीपल. अलग अलग लोग स्ट्रेस पे अलग अलग तरीके से बिहेवियर करते हैं. फाइन. फॉर हेयर आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. फॉर अ ड्राइवर stress can be a heavy traffic. For a student stress can be an exam. For a singer stress can be a live concert. So we can say for every individual person the definition of stress can be different. Now, the types of stress. There are several types of stress. First is positive stress, the stress which results for exhilarating experiences, that can be positive. A little stress is important to keep us going. It gives a zing to life and the edge that rejuvenates us. Means, suppose if we are in working, fine, and a type of stress is always there whosoever is doing a job. So some people works excellently under a stress, so that type of stress is called positive stress. Next is negative stress. Mostly strikes us in a negative way. बहुत बार हम स्ट्रेस का नाम नेगेटिव सेंस में ही समझते हैं, कोई भी शायद पॉजिटिव नहीं लेता. It stems from the fear of losing, falling, overworking, or not being able to cope up. In such situation, we see trees as a destructive, debilitating force. It's true of negative stress because negative stress causes distress. Such stress affects us in a harmful manner. Means negative stress due to some fear of losing something, कोई tragedy हो जाए, कोई accident हो जाए, or any type of particular peculiar situation where a type of tension is there in the mind, fine, and that is really very harmful for that individual. So that is negative stress. Now the meaning and importance of stress management, how to manage the stress. In this management many things are involved, we'll learn them one by one. Stress management is all about taking charge of your life, your thoughts, your emotions, fine, and how you deal with the problems which are coming in your life. It starts with identifying the sources of stress in your life. Adequately manage stress prevents medical and physical illness. Means हम अपने ही स्ट्रेस को अच्छे से if we are able to manage, then definitely हम अपने medical और physical illness को we can keep that away from ourselves. Stress management is vital because it leads to many benefits, like it improves our mood, it can boost our immune system, it can promote longevity, it leads to burst of physical engagement for task accomplishment, it increases efficiency and effectiveness, it prevents psychological disorder and behavioral issues. Means we can estimate from here that in every way the stress management is beneficial for us, and if we are not able to manage our stress, then definitely it is going to harm us in medical issues, in physical issues, or almost in all the aspects of our life. Okay, now what are the sources of stress, how a person can be captured by stress? On the basis of its reaction or its stimulus, the sources of stress can be, number one is mental stress. A person can be having a mental stress. It's often spoken of as emotional stress that involves powerful feelings and emotions. It hampers the power of our own mind. Very high expectations from our own selves can leave us with chronic anxiety and mental stress. Means किसी से हद से ज़्यादा उम्मीद रखना, and जिससे हमें उम्मीदें हैं, the person is not satisfying up to the level whichever we are supposing to, so that can leave us up to a great mental stress. Fine, this source of stress revolves around critical incidents and significant events in our life. They are often associated with continuing trauma after any accident, after any unnecessary event, after longer period, often referred to as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Full form पता होनी चाहिए, post traumatic stress disorder. Okay, next is physical stress. It refers to how body reacts and responds to stressful situations. Means it's related to our body. Means कोई भी stressful situation आती है तो how our body is responding to that, that is physical stress. This kind of stress puts us on a high alert with instinctive fight. During this type of stress, adrenal glands of the body naturally respond with the surge of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol in the bloodstream, which pumps burst of energy in the body, helping us to deal with the stress. This stress is often generated by fatigue and overwork that we build up for a period of time. अब आप कभी भी ध्यान दें, जब भी हमें कोई स्ट्रेस होता है ना और हम बहुत एक्सट्रीम गुस्से में होते हैं, तो आप कभी भी देखना हमारी गर्दन के बैक साइड में बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द होता है. फाइन, जब हम एक्सट्रीम ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस और एक्सट्रीम गुस्से में होते हैं, तो दैट कैन अफेक्ट आवर बॉडी अ लॉट. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज सेड दैट वी मस्ट नो हाउ टू मैनेज आवर स्ट्रेस. फाइन, नेक्स्ट इज सोशल स्ट्रेस. It relates to the stress involved in interacting, socializing and communicating with other human beings. Suppose we are doing a job and in our working space someone comments or someone taunts us, तो कुछ लोग उसे दिल पे ले जाते हैं, कुछ नहीं लेते. तो जो दिल पे ले जाते हैं, it means they are having the social stress, a kind of social stress. It's just an example. Fine, it revolves around our relationships with the others. Some of the social interaction and relationships can be very demanding and tension filled. For example, when we compare our children's with the other same age group, then that puts a social stress on our children's too. Next is financial stress. It is caused when we face problem in sense of money, or you can also say it in finances. Mostly this type of stress is faced by adults who have to make the ends meet within their income. Means जो बच्चे खुद ही अपना खर्चा उठाने लग जाते हैं, and whenever they are not having any financial deposition with themselves, then this type of stress they usually feel. Okay, next is how to cope up with stress. Now here in this picture we can see there are several ways to cope up with the stress. We can medicate, we can listen to music, we can take a nap, we can play with the pet, and we can exercise. These are few. There are so many ways to keep us coping with stress. Let's discuss. Managing stress is all about taking charge of your thoughts, emotions, schedule, and the way you deal with the problems. Here, what we can do, first of all, identify the cause of stress. पहचाने कि कहाँ से आ रहा है stress, reason क्या है. Okay, next is build strong relationships. मीन्स हमें अपने कलीग्स के साथ, रिलेटिव्स के साथ, नेबर्स के साथ ऑलवेज बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज वॉक अवे व्हेन यू आर एंग्री. मीन्स जब भी जिस सिचुएशन में जहाँ आप हैं, इफ एनी सिचुएशन कम्स व्हेन यू आर एंग्री, देन वॉक अवे फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, then get help from professionals wherever is required, and if it is beneficial, then always get help from any of the professionals. Next is stress management strategies. Now there may be many strategies to manage the stress, but few of them we'll discuss here. Avoid unnecessary stress. Now question arises कि कैसे avoid करें unnecessary stress को. नंबर वन, लर्न हाउ टू से नो. मीन्स जो काम आप नहीं कर सकते, क्लियरली ऑन द फेस से नो. ओके, आप वाकई में काफ़ी स्ट्रेस से बच जाते हैं क्लियरली नो कहने से, है ना. अवॉइड पीपल हु स्ट्रेस यू आउट. आपको लगता है किसकी वजह से आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस होता है, जस्ट अवॉइड देम. टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर एनवायरमेंट. मीन्स द एनवायरमेंट विच यू फील इज गिविंग यू स्ट्रेस, avoid that environment. Means keep your environment healthy. Avoid hot button topics. The topics which you seems that it will become hot and arguments will be there and stress creating situations will be there, so avoid those such topics. Next is alter the situation. How? Express your feelings instead of bottling them up. Means ऑलवेज बी क्लियर इन योर वर्ड्स. वो कहते हैं ना, घुमा घुमा के बातें कहते हैं और नेवर से क्लियर. ऑल दैट शुड नॉट हैपन. एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ रिवॉल्विंग दैम, इंस्टेड ऑफ बॉटलिंग दैम. बी विलिंग टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज. मीन्स एडजस्टिंग होना चाहिए. वी मस्ट बी एडजस्टिंग इन आवर नेचर. बी मोर असर्टिव. मीन्स बी पॉजिटिव. मैनेज योर टाइम बेटर. मीन्स खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर, तो खाली ना रहें. मैनेज योर टाइम एफिशिएंटली. नेक्स्ट इज accept the things you can't change. Means the situations, the things, the conditions which are not in your control, means which you cannot change, those finally accept them. How? Don't try to control the uncontrollable. Means which can't be controlled, then why you are trying to control? Obviously जब हमें पता है इस सिचुएशन को हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, then why to try at least. Okay, तो don't try. Then look up for the upside. Means आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करें. Share your feelings. Always if you are in stress, then talk to someone whom you can believe. Learn to forgive. अगर किसी ने गलती भी करी है, and if you can, then learn to forgive them. Next is stress management techniques. There are some techniques. adopt a healthy lifestyle, eat healthy diet, get enough sleep. These are the things which all of us know, but we are not following them, है ना? Physical exercise, yoga, meditation, enjoying, going to vacations with the family and friends, taking nature walks, अभी मैंने डिस्कस किया ये चीज़. देन हेल्दी वेज टू रिलैक्स एंड रिचार्ज. कैसे? सेम चीज़ है, कुछ डिफर है. गो फॉर अ वॉक, स्पेंड टाइम इन नेचर, कॉल अ गुड फ्रेंड, स्वेट आउट टेंशन विद अ गुड वर्कआउट, write in your journal, take a long bath, light scented candles, enjoy a warm cup of tea or coffee, play with a pet. You can work in your garden, you can get a message from your friend or relative, you can curl up with a good book, you can listen to your favorite music, or we can also watch any comedy. तो these are the things जो हमारे माइंड को डाइवर्ट करता है इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग टुवर्ड्स द स्ट्रेस. तो these strategies, these techniques can be followed. Next is importance of the ability to work independently. What is the importance of doing work independently? First, being self aware, self monitoring, and self regulating. Okay, this is the benefit. Obviously, knowing what you need to do means अगर हम independently काम कर रहे हैं ना, तो हमें अपने talents, अपनी weakness, हमें अपने बारे में ज़्यादा information होती है if we are working independently. Okay, we know what we need. अपनी ज़रूरतों के बारे में हमें पता होता है. Taking the initiative yourself rather than waiting for instructions means किसी के order की ज़रूरत नहीं है, अपनी instruction हम खुद ही decide करते हैं, तो don't need to wait for anyone. Doing what is asked to do the best of your abilities without the need of external prodding. Working until the job is completed. अब if I am working independently, I know that this is my work. तो मैं जब तक चाहे काम करूँ, because मुझे पता है ये job complete करना is my task. तो I'll work until the job is completed. Then learning to work at your own pace, accepting your mistakes without looking for excuses. Definitely, if we are working independently, then if any mistake is done there, तो हम किसी को blame नहीं कर सकते. We have to accept our mistakes and we are not going to look for any of the excuses. Not allowing self-doubts or negative emotions affect our efficiency. Finally, working independently helps us in most of the ways. सबसे बड़ी बात, we know ourselves, we come to know ourselves. हमारी weakness, हमारे negatives, हमारी positives, हमारे talents, fine, all things comes up in mind. We can be the decision maker, we can put the instructions, fine, and we are the responsible person for any mistakes done. So this is the ability of work done independently. Next is skills needed to work independently. अब कुछ talent चाहिए. Each and every person is not able to work independently. There are some skills required for this. What are those? Organization skill is there, means to organize the task, the things needed to complete a task, that is organizational skills. Then multitasking abilities means doing more than one single task at same time, at same situation. This is multitasking abilities. Discipline is required, the most important thing. Communication skills, very important. Negotiating skills, if you are an entrepreneur or you are a boss, then negotiating skills helps a lot. Flexibility means in each and every situation, if you are adjustable, then definitely it's beneficial for you only. Fine. Adaptability means adjusting at every situation. Flexibility and adaptability goes side by side. Fine. Then open mindedness means welcoming each and every situation, whether positive, whether negative, ready to everything with open mindedness. That is the most important skill. Next is self awareness. Same word, means being aware about yourself. How we can be self aware? In the diagram we can see there are many options through which we can make ourselves more self aware. Now what is self aware? It's to have a clear perception of our personality. अपने बारे में जानना. That is self awareness. It's to be conscious about our strengths, weakness, thoughts, beliefs. To develop it, we can pay attention to what bothers you about other people. Means अगर हमें जानना है about self awareness हमारे बारे में, then we can pay attention to what bothers you, कि हम किस चीज़ से परेशान होते हैं. Fine, हमने कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया इन चीज़ों पे. We can meditate on your mind. We can read high quality fiction. We can identify our emotional kryptonite. We can draw a timeline of our life. We can ask for feedback if we are talking to someone or asking someone. We can also have the feedback from same person. Do some micro travel. We can learn any of the new skill. We can identify cognitive distortions. We can make time to clarify the mistakes. Fine. Now types of self awareness. Self awareness की भी types हैं. What they are? Self awareness of strengths means अपने जो हमारे अंदर talents हैं, हमारी जो strengths हैं, positives हैं, उनको जानना. Self awareness of weaknesses, अपने weaknesses को भी जानना. Self awareness of flaws, गलतियाँ, कमियाँ. Self awareness of emotional triggers means हमें कोई trigger करना चाहे तो how, कैसे हमें पिन लगती है. Fine, that is emotional triggers. Now next is motivation. सबसे बड़ा factor which helps in one's personality enhancement. How? What is motivation? It's just a driving force that compels an action towards a desired goal. Means it's actually it is a driving force जो वाकई में हमें मजबूर करता है और वो भी willingly to move towards the goal. It's the purpose towards an action. It's of two types. First is intrinsic motivation. It's the motivation that is driven by an interest or enjoyment in the task itself and exists within you. ये हमारे अंदर ही है, हमारे इंटरेस्ट की वजह से, हमारे जिस चीज़ में हमें enjoyment मिले, means which we enjoy in doing that particular thing. Fine, so that is a motivation from our inner self. Okay, next is extrinsic motivation. This comes from outside of the individual. These are rewards in the form of money for showing the desired behavior and threat of punishment following behavior. Means suppose in my office I have done a very good job in last month and an increment of 10% I got. So this is a type of extrinsic motivation. Means a motivation in the form of, it may be in the form of money and that's coming from the outside. और अगर कोई गलती हो जाए तो that will be in the form of punishment also, maybe misbehavior. Okay, so these two types of motivations are there. Self motivation, the best form in the world. किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, खुद को ही motivate करो. Means be the best version of you. How? It's the force that keeps pushing us to go on and keep on achieving our goals. It's our internal drive to keep moving forward. It's a fundamental tool for reaching our goals. There are 8 steps of self-motivation. हम पढ़ेंगे एक एक करके, लेकिन पहले समझें व्हाट इज सेल्फ मोटिवेशन. मीन्स अपने आप को पुश करते रहें किस चीज़ के लिए? टू अचीव आवर गोल्स. मीन्स सेट योर टारगेट एंड कीप ऑन मूविंग टूवर्ड्स दैट गोल. अपने आप को वेट ना करें कि ये मोटिवेट करेगा वो करेगा. जस्ट बी मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ, अपने आप को ही. ये हमारे अंदर ही एक ड्राइव है जो हमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए हौसला देती है ना. नाउ लेट्स हैव द स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट इज स्टार्ट सिंपल. कीप गुड कंपनी, हमेशा अच्छी संगत में रहें. कीप लर्निंग, कभी भी लर्निंग में भी आपके फील्ड से अलग कोई चीज़ सीख रहे हैं तो कभी भी ध्यान रखना लर्निंग नेवर गोज वेस्ट. तो ऑलवेज कीप लर्निंग. सी द गुड इन बैड, मीन्स हम हमेशा गलत चीज़ या नेगेटिव चीज़ पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. हर बुरी चीज़ में कुछ अच्छा देखने की कोशिश करें, है ना. एक एग्जाम्पल मैंने बहुत कहीं सुना था. just one of my friend told the same topic was going on and she told कि एक बार मेरी फ्रेंड घर पर आई और मेरे भाई ने दरवाज़ा खोला. ध्यान से सुनना. माई फ्रेंड केम टू माई होम और मेरे भाई ने दरवाज़ा खोला और मेरे भाई ने कुछ भी नहीं पहना था. तो इस सेंस को आप कैसे लेंगे? डेफिनेटली हर कोई गलत ही समझेगा, लेकिन वाई नॉट बी टेकिंग इन गुड स्पिरिट. मेरा भाई 2 साल का 4 साल का भी हो सकता है ना. तो ऑलवेज सी द गुड इन बैड. स्टॉप थिंकिंग. जब ज़रूरत नहीं है तो क्यों सोचना है ऐसा होगा वैसा हो जाएगा. डोंट थिंक, जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग गुड वर्क. नो योर सेल्फ, अपने बारे में जानें, अपने आप को बढ़ाएं, अपने टैलेंट को बढ़ाएं. ट्रैक योर प्रोग्रेस, हाईलाइट योर प्रोग्रेस कि इस महीने मैंने क्या नई चीज़ सीखी, इस साल मैंने क्या सीखा, व्हाट आई एम लर्निंग, ओके, व्हाट आई एम इम्प्रूविंग इन माई सेल्फ. हेल्प अदर्स. दिस इज हाउ वी कैन सेल्फ मोटिवेट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सेल्फ रेगुलेशन. It can be defined as the ability to control one's behavior, emotions, thoughts in the pursuit of long-term goals. Means it's all in all regulating ourselves. अपने आप को कैसे control करें for in every aspect. It refers to the ability to manage disruptive emotions and impulses. We cannot smell it और we cannot see it. पता ही नहीं चलता है that we are regulated और हम आपे खो चुके हैं. ओके, तो अगर आपा खोना मीन्स एक हिंदी में मुहावरा है ना, आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल जाना. ये वही लोग जाते हैं जिनका सेल्फ रेगुलेशन नहीं होती. ओके, नाउ there are some strategies for self regulation. First is mindfulness. It involves the cultivation of moment to moment awareness through deep breathing. Means गहरी सांस ले, हर मोमेंट को अपने आप सोचें. जस्ट थॉट इट with your mindfulness. दिमाग खुला रखे that where we were wrong, where we were right, what to be done and what is done. Okay, this can be done for the self regulation. Next is cognitive reprisal. It involves changing your thought process. ओके, मीन्स अगर हम अपनी जो आज सपोज रोज़ हम शाम को बैठ के सोचे कि आज हमने क्या क्या किया, क्या ठीक था क्या गलत था, क्या किया जा सकता था, ऑल दैट कैन बी डन फॉर चेंजिंग योर थॉट प्रोसेस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एक्सेप्टेंस एंड प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग. इट इन्वॉल्व्स एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ अ सिचुएशन एंड देन फाइंडिंग वेज टू टैकल इट. मीन्स कोई सिचुएशन आ गई, देन एक्सेप्ट इट विद ओपन हैंडेड and find out that how you can tackle it, how you can fight with the situation. Fine, that is coming through the self regulation. That's it for now. Thank you, take care.